Hello everyone, this is Amrita and welcome to my channel Amrita's Good Life. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic and that is self-motivation. Okay, and I think everyone knows about self-motivation, right? Okay, so today I am going to give you some tips regarding the self-motivation. Okay, and these tips are known as self-motivational tips. Okay. What is self motivation? I think everyone knows about it, right? Okay, let me explain. Many people have a feeling in their minds that they are inferior to others and suffers from different mind diseases or disorders. Okay, so this feeling imposes a person to stay one step behind from the person they think stronger. This feeling of inferiority complex may hamper a person from his or her career or any type of activities he or she is going to perform in the present or in the future. And of course, at last, a person suffers from a strong negative feeling and his mind deteriorates and he or she suffers from depression, right? So, keeping in mind the mental condition of this type of person, I am going to give you some self motivational tips so that they may be quite helpful to you. Okay, tip number one, read some good books. Reading books, specifically the motivational books, okay? The motivational books are very important and they're absolutely helpful for your mental health. So please try to develop a habit of reading frequently. Number two, build up your self confidence. Yes, your confidence is very important for a proper self esteem. Confidence makes a person perfect. If you want to build your confidence, then first concentrate on yourself as well as your self esteem. Right? Number three, how to increase your self confidence. Yes, this is one of the very important tips. In order to increase your self confidence, you should first concentrate on yourself. Yes, concentrate on yourself. Take time to understand yourself. Think of yourself and take out some time for understanding yourself. Only concentrate on yourself, your work, and only you. Don't concentrate on others. You concentrate on yourself, your work, and only you. Okay? Number four, don't be negative. Eradicate the negative thoughts that come to your mind and always think that you can. Yes, you can. Don't think negative. Some person used to think negative regarding, oh God, what will happen? Will I be able to do this, manage this? Oh no. Yes, you can be able to manage. You can. Okay? So try to be positive. Number five, try to get engaged in some creative works. Yes, this is one of the easiest way to build up your confidence. Yes, if you do some, like if you engage in some creative works, obviously your confidence level will be higher. You will become more smart, right? So try to motivate yourself and engage in some activities like cooking, singing, dancing, painting, etc. etc. Whatever you like, you can manage. You can try these things at your home and build up your confidence, right? Okay. Number six, repeat the three words. These three words can add value to your life. What are the three words? These three words are I can win. Yes. If you feel the lack of self esteem or confidence, then utter these three words and see how strong you feel from your inner self. In any situation, you can come back, right? Then at that time, you just remember these three words that I can win. And when you utter these three words from your inner self, this self esteem and confidence will become more visible to you. So be strong, be passionate, and always try to utter these three words that I can win. Okay? Number seven, love yourself. So, how will you love yourself? This is a big question that's rising in your mind right now, right? Okay. Loving yourself means loving your abilities and capabilities. So, whatever you are or however you are, try to accept that and think that I am the best. Yes, and think that I will achieve. Yes, of course you are the best, right? And always think that I will achieve. Don't think any negative thoughts, and try to love yourself by thinking these two terms like I am the best and I will achieve. Okay. Number 8. Show your strength, not the weakness. Don't behave as if you were weak in front of people who mocks, okay? Or the ones who tries to dominate you, or the ones who wants to show you're inferior. Okay, understood na? If someone tries to dominate you, or if someone wants to show you that you are inferior, then don't show that you are weak. Behave as if you are strong. Instead, show them your passion, your strengths, and of course your abilities. So show them that you are not lesser than them, and this is how you can gain your self-esteem. Obviously, don't show that you are lesser than them in any way or the other. Show your abilities, show your capabilities, and show your passion, and show that you are not less than them. Show your strength, not the weakness. Okay? Number 9. Try to gain knowledge. Yes, gaining knowledge about current affairs is very important for gaining your confidence. So watch or listen the news or try to read newspaper every day. Then you will be able to know about the current situation, and of course that will make you feel better and knowledgeable. This will motivate you as well as your mind. So try to gain knowledge, and gaining knowledge is very important for gaining your confidence, right? Number 10, last but not least, listening to music. This is the best tonic to overcome distress. Yes, listening music is very important to overcome distress, and if you feel sad, bored or angry, then play your favorite number and listen to it. This is one of the best way to remotivate yourself. So music is very important, right? So these are the 10 tips I have discussed with you today, and if you follow these tips, then see how beautiful your life will become. So thanks for watching, and keep watching my videos, and if you like my today's video, please click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for the upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.